And across our South Georgia communities, one hospital is seeing a 50% spike in patients coming in with COVID-related symptoms. ABC 27's Veronica Vernaccio joins us live outside TMH to explain how hospitals are prepared for this possible surge.
Channing, for months, researchers have been warning about this second wave of COVID-19 cases, but local hospital leaders say that they're ready for what's to come.
What we've learned since then is that we do have some additional treatment modalities. We do have a little more research about the prognosis of the disease, and we've been able to have additional preparation.
Brian Dawson is the Chief Medical Officer at South Georgia Medical Center. He says these components, along with additional beds, staff, and personal protective equipment, makes him confident the hospital's ability to handle a surge in COVID-19 cases. Now, over the last couple of months, he says there has been a noticeable difference in the number of cases in the community versus people coming into the hospital.
I think that's because it's just been this shift in the initial phases. The disease attacked some of the patients that were very vulnerable. And now that it's moved through that initial phase, now we're seeing that more members of the community are being affected, but only a portion of those are ending up in the hospital.
In Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare leaders say things have been steady when it comes to being prepared for a surge. A spokesperson for TMH says if there is one, the hospital will be able to utilize other hospitals in the area to help treat patients. The hospital also has a nurses unit dedicated to treating COVID-19 patients. And while hospitals are doing what they can, Dr. Dean Watson, who works for TMH, has this message for families. It reads, "As a community, we need to remain vigilant and focused on the preventative measures that have been prescribed and be hopeful as numerous vaccines will be available in short order."
Now, when it comes to just keeping the cases down in general, the doctors want to urge that it takes community action to do that. So remember, wash your hands, social distance, and wear your mask. For now, reporting live outside of TMH, Veronica Vernaccio, ABC 27.